The seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring. Spring is a beautiful time of the year when flowers bloom and new leaves appear on plant. Summer. Summer is hot season of the year. Sun shines brightly. We wear cotton clothes. We use fans, cooler, and air conditioner during summer season to keep us cool. Autumn. Trees start shedding leaves. Most leaves start to change color to red, then yellow and the brown. Winter. Winter is very cold weather of the year. During winters we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm.